Welcome to We Wacky Science. Today we're going to do a color float. For this experiment, you need corn syrup, cooking oil, and a small little container of water, and also a clear glass or a clear jar, which I'm using a clear jar, and then food coloring. And I have red, green, and blue here. So, the first thing we're going to do is take the corn syrup and just pour, and you may want to have your adult with you to help you pour this, into just a little bit, just a tiny bit, into the clear jar. Yeah, that looks good. And you also will need popsicle sticks or spoons. So, we're going to put the corn syrup in the jar and we're going to color it with our food coloring. We only need a couple drops. One drop, 2 drops. And we're going to take our popsicle stick and stir it. And you're going to find out it's really thick to stir. Okay. That looks pretty good. That's nice and red. I'm going to let that drip a little bit. And then we're going to color our water. And I'm going to use green for my water. You can use green or blue. And again, I'm just going to use a couple drops. I think I'll just use 1 drop. And take your clean spoon or popsicle stick and stir that. And then we're going to pour that into our jar or clear glass with the corn syrup. Next, we're going to take our cooking oil and we're going to pour that just a little bit inside with the water and the corn syrup. And I want you to look at the glass and see what you notice. You should have 3 layers of color. We have the red, the dark green, and then a light color of the oil. So we're actually floating colors or floating liquids. And the reason that happens is because the liquid that's the heaviest will always go to the bottom. Now, you can also try this with those 3 things that we did today, but you can also add rubbing alcohol, dishwashing soap, and honey, and try to layer all of those 6 items together and see how they will layer. I'll let you try that sometime. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you have fun experimenting more. Have a happy week, and until next time, happy science.